Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In this video, we will start GCSE Maths Unit 1 Numbers Exercise 1 star. In the previous video, we have solved Exercise 1 and also clear all the concepts related to the numbers that can you find in our channel Math Solver 1117. Now in Exercise 1 star, we will solve question number 1 as simplify and write each of these as single fraction. Write down following in single fraction. So the first part is 6/21. So we will solve this as in a very easy and simple way, that is the numerator and denominator both are divided by the same number. So 6 is divided by 2 and 21 is also divided, 6 is divided by 3 and 21 is also divided by 3. So we will get 2 by 7. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 2. So question number 2 is 14/21. So we will divide numerator and denominator by the same number. So 14 is divided by 7 and 21 is also divided by 7. So we get 2 by 3. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the next question. So question number 3, we have 15 divided by 90. So first of all, we will divide this by 3. 15 is divided by 3 and 90 is divided by 3. When 15 is divided by 3, we will get 5. When 90 is divided by 3, we will get 30. Now again, we will divide 5 by 5 and 30 is also divided by 5. So we get 1 by 6. This will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 4. So question number 4 will be 105 divided by 165. It's mean that first of all we will check this number is divided by 3 or not. So best way to check a number is add its digits, like 1 plus 0 plus 5. It's mean that is 6. So 6 is divided by 3. Now to check the denominator, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 12 can be divided by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. So we will solve this as divide both the numerator and denominator by 3. 105 divided by 3 and 165 divided by 3. When this is divided by 3, we will get 3 3s are 9 and this will be 35 and 3 5s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. Now we will divide this by 5. So 7 by 11. This will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 5. Now the question number 5 is 0.7 divided by 1.4. So first of all, we will write this without decimal. For this purpose, 0.7 is multiplied by 10 and 1.4 is also multiplied by 10. So we get the simple equation as 7/14. Now 7 is divided by 7 and 14 is also divided by 7. So we get answer 1 by 2. Now we will solve question number 6. Now the question number 6 is 1.2 divided by 3.2. This question will be solved as Same procedure will be done. 1.2 is multiplied by 10 and 3.2 is also multiplied by 10. We get 12 over 32. Then 12 is also divided by 4 and 32 is also divided by 4. So 3 by 8. This will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 7. Now the question number 7 is in the form of fraction 5 by 16. You have to convert this into decimal. So we will convert this by simple division method. You can use calculator also. So 5 is divided by 16. So 5 cannot be divided. So we will write 0 point. So 16 is, so we will get 16 into 3 is 48. So then 16 ones are 16, then 40. So 16 twos are 32, then 8 and then 0. So 16 fives are 80. So we will get answer is in decimal form 0.3125. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 8. So next question number 8 is we have 3 by 40. So divide this. 3 is smaller, so 0 point. This is also smaller, so again then 0 is also placed here. So we will get 4 sevens are 28, so 280. So we will get 20, then again 0. So 45s are 200. So in the decimal form we get 0.075. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 9. Now we have 0.35 in the decimal form and we have to convert this in fraction. So 35 by 100. Now we have to convert this in lowest form. So 35 is divided by 5 and 100 is also divided by 5. So we get 7 by 20. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 10. So in question number 10 we have 0.375. We have to convert this in fraction form. So write 375 divided by 1000. So we will solve this in just one step. 375 is divided by 125 and 1000 is also divided by 125. When you divide, we will get simply 375 equals divided by 125 will equals 3 and 1000 divided by 125 we will get 8. So 3 by 8 will be the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve the remaining 10 questions of this exercise. Best of luck for your exam. Do practice a lot.